क्लॉज. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल है बिकॉज ऑफ की, जिसमें जैन वॉज वरिड बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन. सो नाउ आपने बिकॉज ऑफ लिखा है तो यू जस्ट ओमिट एवरीथिंग एंड हैव द नाउन फ्रेज विच इज़ द रेन. Remember that because of is only followed by a noun phrase with no conjugated verb whatsoever. और because of को हम due to से भी interchange कर सकते हैं. तो अगर this sentence can also be referred as Jen was worried due to rain. So that's how you can mention them. Again, the second example is the students arrived late because there was a traffic jam. So again, was is a verb and the traffic jam is a subject itself. So the whole there was a traffic jam is a stand-alone sentence. So this is the clause. So because is followed by a clause. However, the students arrived late because of the traffic jam. So अगर आप simple the traffic jam बोलते हैं तो this does not make any sense because it's just a noun phrase. So because of is followed by the noun phrase. और अगर हम because of को due to से replace करें, so the students arrived late due to the traffic jam. So the sentence still makes sense. Third example is we have to cut down on our driving because there is an oil shortage. So this clause which is there is an oil shortage is still a standalone, makes sense. Is verb and oil shortage is a subject, and oil is a subject. So because is followed by this clause, there is an oil shortage. However, to make it to follow it with the because of, we have to cut down on our driving because of the oil shortage. So the oil shortage is a noun phrase here and it's not a clause with no verb conjugation whatsoever. और हम because of को due to से replace कर सकते हैं, यानी कि we have to cut down on our driving because of or due to the oil shortage. It is also possible for the cause clause to begin the sentence. समटाइम्स आपका जो कॉज क्लॉज है विच इज़ लाइक बिकॉज या बिकॉज ऑफ, हम इसको इस तरह भी एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं कि आपका जो है वो सेंटेंस से ही स्टार्ट हो रहा हो, सेंटेंस बिकॉज से ही स्टार्ट हो रहा हो. बिकॉज ऑफ द रेन वी हैव कैंसल द पार्टी. सो अगैन आपने बिकॉज ऑफ को सेंटेंस से स्टार्ट किया और येट द सेंटेंस स्टिल मेक द सेंस. सो द कॉज क्लॉज